Welcome to Crowley ISD Center for Teaching and Learning's demonstration video. This video will highlight CISD best practices, pacing and sequencing, and high academic expectations, as demonstrated by Kveton. Gestures activate the motor cortex, the brain's most powerful tool for memory, which helps solidify the learning for students. In this lesson, Ms. Kveton uses gestures to teach science vocabulary terms and engages students in revoicing and writing about their new learning.
So everybody mirror me. Convergent collides. Divergent divides. Transform slides. So everybody mirror me. So subduction zone is when the plates come together and one goes under. All right, teach and write.
One way to provide structure and increase accountability during student talk is to assign tasks to each partner. In this example, Ms. Kveton uses the length of hair to determine partners and then provides specific responsibilities for partner 1 and partner 2.
Person with the longer hair, please raise your hand. You are partner number 1. If you have the shorter hair, please raise your hand. You are partner number 2. So partner number 1, you are going to be the person that actually uses the model. Partner number 2, you're going to observe. Partner number 1, you will share with your shoulder partner first. When you get done, clap hands, say, switch.
Ms. Kveton provides short, digestible chunks of instruction, punctuated with opportunities for students to teach and write. This chance to think in ink allows students to process the learning and deepen their understanding.
Hold on, because you know you got to teach before you write it down. All right, you are going to teach and write. Ready? Go. Okay. You are going to turn and teach the whole shebang before you write down what the landform is that is actually created. So one more again for me. Convergent collides. It makes a mountain. All right. Teach and write.
Ms. Kveton provides extra support for her students through the use of visuals and modeling, making the learning more tangible. In order to uphold high academic expectations and elevate student thinking, Ms. Kveton uses a few stretch moves by asking students to explain why or how and to provide evidence to prove their answer.
What did you see to tell you that? So what is a trench and how could you tell me that this is a trench here? What did you actually observe within the model besides an earthquake? What actually happened to your graham crackers? Okay, so she said the graham cracker is like the lithosphere and the icing is like the asthenosphere because...
Not only does Ms. Kveton use the 4-step directions to provide clarity and precision to her classroom assignments, she also counts down to raise the level of urgency and increase task adherence, bringing students back with her class signal.
In just a second, when I say go, you are going to talk about a real-life example that you know of that is either a trench or a volcano. You got 10 seconds. Go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Class.
Upholding high expectations and maintaining a well-managed classroom doesn't mean you have to sacrifice fun. Ms. Kveton demonstrates great rapport with her students while still providing the structure needed to foster learning in her classroom.
We got to do this one again. Transform slides. And we get a crack called a fault. And we get earthquakes.